In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place and modify orders in Ctrader. By the end, you'll feel confident opening a trade with clear risk and profit targets, and adjusting those levels later if market conditions change. Start by opening Ctrader and making sure you're looking at the chart for the symbol you want to trade. When the platform is ready, open the order ticket by selecting New Order. You can do this directly from the chart window or from the Trade tab, whichever you find more convenient. Just double check the symbol and account shown on the ticket so you place the trade exactly where you intend. Next, set your volume. Volume represents the size of your position, typically in lots or units, and it directly impacts your potential profit, loss, and margin usage. If you're unsure, start small and size up only when you're comfortable with the risk. Remember, a larger volume amplifies both gains and losses, so choose a size that aligns with your risk tolerance. Now add a stop loss by typing your desired price into the SL field. A stop loss is your safety net. It automatically closes the position if price moves against you. For a buy, the stop loss is usually placed below the current price. For a sell, it's typically placed above. Pick a level that makes sense based on recent structure or volatility, giving the trade room to breathe without risking more than you're prepared to lose. Then add a take profit by entering the price in the TP field. This is your target where profits are locked in automatically. Set it at a logical level where you expect price may stall or reverse, and make sure it maintains a sensible risk to reward ratio relative to your stop loss. When everything looks good, choose your direction. Click buy if you expect the price to rise, or sell if you expect it to fall. The order will execute at the current market price, and you'll see it appear in your positions list. Take a moment to confirm the entry, volume, and that both SL and TP are active and correctly placed. If you need to make changes later, head to Positions, right-click the trade you want to update, and choose Modify Position. In the modification window, adjust the SL or TP fields to your new prices, review the changes, and click Modify to apply them. This lets you refine your risk and targets without closing the trade. Always review your updated levels on the chart to ensure they match your plan. That's it. Simple, precise, and in your control with Ctrader.